I have tried some of the best creams in the world, and nothing works like Botox.
It's very subtle and it looks very natural.
My skin's smoother and smoother.
Botox has been used for years by women all over the world who want to regain their youthful appearance without painful and expensive surgery.
Botox, it's instant. It makes your skin smooth. It actually minimizes your pores because everything is so smooth.
Botox is one of the most amazing treatments that have come across in the past 10 years.
Epione's Dr. Simon Orion, a Harvard-trained cosmetic dermatologist, says the procedure is virtually painless, takes just minutes, and there is no downtime or lengthy recovery period.
It didn't hurt at all. I didn't feel anything.
One of the best Botox bonuses is that no one will know you've done it unless you tell them.
I had some fine lines under my eyes, and I had a little bit of a line in between my eyes, so I wanted to sort of just smooth it out a bit.
Frown lines, smile lines, lines in the forehead, all caused by years of constant movement. In most cases, a few drops of Botox are all that's needed, injected with a tiny needle into the muscle, creating a wrinkle. The Botox blocks the nerve impulse from reaching that area, and as a result, the muscle weakens. That allows the skin on top of the muscle to relax, and the wrinkles in the skin soften and often disappear entirely.
If you can reduce this movement on your face, the lines will gradually go away. And that's what Botox does.
I come back for regular maintenance, every few months, and it gets easier and easier. I see my skin's smoother and smoother. It's amazing.
If done by an experienced practitioner, Botox treatments will not affect normal facial expressions. Epione is one of the premier treatment centers in the country for Botox, with Dr. Simon Orion having performed tens of thousands of successful injections. His experience results in the needle being placed in exactly the right place, the key to ensuring the most dramatic, long-lasting, and most importantly, natural-looking results. Dr. Orion's experience also reduces the chance of temporary side effects like bruising or drooping eyelids. Dr. Orion says virtually 100% of his patients go home thrilled with the results.
The difference is so dramatic, and it's inexpensive, it's not painful. It takes 10 minutes, and I'm really happy with it.
Most people don't need to do a major surgery to get major results. You can do tiny little procedures that within a day or two, you really get the results immediately.
And at Epione, the highly trained consultants will fill you in on the pros and cons of Botox before you're treated.
The Botox that Epione uses is always maximum strength. So you always know exactly what you're getting, you know what he's putting into your face, and you can count on the results.
I feel very at home here. It's very cozy. When you're going in for something like this, you want to feel safe. It's most important.
Botox is one of the safest wrinkle reducers around, and most treatments last 3 to 6 months. After a Botox treatment, do not massage the treated area for 4 hours and don't exercise for 24. After that, you can immediately get back to your normal routine, looking younger, refreshed, and relaxed.
All these crow's feet after the Botox treatments, they just relax. I've been coming now for about 7 years, regularly from San Diego, and I come the extra mile because I think they go the extra mile for their clients.
I actually noticed a huge difference because when I smile, I don't get all the lines under my eyes like I did before. And it just made me look like I was just a lot fresher and like I was more well rested. I've been wanting to do it for a long time, and I didn't expect the results to be quite as dramatic as they were.
I used to get about a dozen migraines a year, and they would be very, very, very severe.
I was getting tension headaches right between my eyes.
Doctors using Botox for cosmetic procedures have discovered an amazing side effect: the ability to treat migraine headaches with just a few injections.
I'm 44 years old and had tried all sorts of things from all sorts of medicines. I'd been to headache clinics, MRIs, CAT scans, and there was nothing really that had worked, and I was just suffering my entire life.
Now, after visiting Epione in Beverly Hills every 3 months for injections in his forehead and scalp, Stephen Peisner says Botox is his miracle cure.
It's not just changed how I look, but it's changed my life.
They fit me in that same day, came in while I had the headache, treated with Botox right between my eyes where the headache originated.
Breaking the painful cycle of migraine headaches starts with a tiny needle.
We start with in the brow line and then in my head, and at first I didn't actually think it was going to work. I was very, very skeptical about it.
Botox is very effective for migraine headaches. Again, it's a very predictable product. It's been on the market for a very long time. At Epione, you know exactly what strength of Botox is going into your body, and you know that it's being administered by a professional.
By far, the most life-changing treatment we offer here is the Botox for migraine headaches.
Harvard-trained cosmetic dermatologist Dr. Simon Orion's experience allows him to place the Botox where it will make the most difference.
I've gone now from about a dozen a year down to 2 a year, and how many of them, that's really what's helped, and the severity of them has also diminished, and that's controllable for me.
The reduction in migraine headaches is a surprising and welcome side effect for many patients who began using Botox as a wrinkle reducer.
Some people even feel that when they get their regular cosmetic Botox treatment, that it helps to alleviate symptoms of headache and migraine as well. It really just helps to relax the muscles that constrict the blood vessels around the head, which is the source of migraines.
It took away the headaches. Within 2 days, no headaches at all.
During a headache or migraine episode, the head muscles contract, causing severe pain. And doctors theorize that as Botox loosens the grip of those muscles, the blood can begin flowing freely again, providing immediate relief. And Botox is extremely safe to use, with few side effects. Mild bruising is the most common, but Dr. Orion says virtually all of his patients leave Epione feeling and looking much better.
I came in for the headaches. The headaches went, the headaches were gone. My whole brow relaxed, my forehead relaxed, the wrinkles were gone, and I had a little, mini eyebrow lift to boot, so it was great.
To go from 12 a year to 2 a year, I can't say enough for it. This works.
It peels the years back.
And I had a little bit of puffiness around my eyes. Everything is gone.
It just takes years off your face.
People stop me on the street and go, "Your skin is so beautiful."
Look better, younger, refreshed, and healthy. No facelift required. In less than 1 hour, the Cool Laser can turn back the hands of time.
That brings out your healthy skin back to the way it was supposed to be. Cool Laser is the ideal treatment for removal of freckles, discolorations, sun damage, fine lines, deep lines, and it's great to tighten the skin.
Dr. Simon Orion runs one of the busiest medical practices in Beverly Hills. His experience and expertise with laser technology produce incredible results with minimal risk.
If you want to erase sun damage, dark circles, veins, Cool Laser is the best way to do it, and Epione is the only place to have it done.
The process is fast and simple. First, a numbing cream is applied to the target area. Then Dr. Orion focuses a state-of-the-art laser on scars, wrinkles, birthmarks, dark circles, or age spots to minimize their appearance.
The advantage of the Cool Laser is that it's so effective and so precise, and we can get very close to the areas that we want to and avoid the healthy skin in the areas that we want to avoid.
The Cool Laser uses a beam of light energy to work its magic, vaporizing the upper layers of damaged skin. collagen is rejuvenated, bringing back the smooth, soft look of youth.
Your body goes into an overproduction of collagen, so your skin starts to look more firm, tighter, and it starts to give you the appearance of a facelift by giving you a nice upward lifting of your face.
I have very sensitive skin, but it was done so quickly and so fast that you really don't notice. It just kind of peels off the top layer and it regenerates your skin, and it gets the collagen building up again, so it's really nice.
Most patients say the cool laser procedure was not painful.
I had no actual pain with the procedure at all, and within a couple of days my skin started to peel and the skin underneath was younger, fresher, tighter, and people noticed a difference right away.
It was a little painful for me, but ultimately the results, fabulous.
And it felt a little bit like, I guess it would be like little rubber bands slapping against my skin really quickly. It was over before I even knew it. When it was over, I thought, oh, that was it?
After the procedure, patients are sent home with a special cream to soothe reddened skin. That's the most common side effect of cool laser and usually occurs on the first day of treatment. Days later, some peeling may occur, but by day 4, spectacular rejuvenated skin is ready to face the world.
I went home, it felt a little bit like a sunburn for a few days, and applied some ointment to my face, applied some cool towels to my face, and then pretty much in about 4 or 5 days it was over. And my skin was pink, and I started seeing this newer, healthier skin come to the surface.
I wanted to look how I felt. I felt that I was looking in the mirror, looking more tired than I really was. Within 3 or 4 days after the procedure, I just saw the well-rested me.
Patients with all skin types swear by the long-lasting results of the cool laser treatments they received at Epione.
When I came in to consult with them, they reassured me of all the different fears that I had, of all the different things that I read, that this particular laser is nothing like any other lasers that I've seen or read about, that it's completely appropriate for Asian skin, and I would definitely recommend it for other skin types like my own.
I know that that is an issue the darker you are, and it just wasn't a real big concern for me.
Now, with a cool laser, I can treat people of all skin types, all skin colors, and the recovery time is a lot shorter. Most people can go back to work within a few days.
In the past, skin rejuvenation options were more invasive, required anesthesia, and weeks or months of recovery.
They really made me feel comfortable and really just gave me the confidence that this is the place I would like to be, to have this done.
Patients receive the treatments in the spa-like atmosphere of Epione in Beverly Hills. The experienced and talented staff make the consultation process and the procedure feel relaxing and even luxurious.
The atmosphere, the environment is very relaxing, and I love the fact that they are concerned about you. And they tell you how to take care of your skin step by step.
Even if you've never heard of cool laser and you may not know what questions to ask, the consultant can actually give you information so that you can make an educated decision.
Patients who have benefited from a cool laser treatment say it's changed not only their makeup routine and skincare regimen, but the way they feel about themselves.
I don't have to wear base every day or powder every day. You know, my skin, as long as I put sunscreen on, it just looks flawless.
The absolute best part about having the treatment was, in fact, not necessarily the outward change, although those were dramatic beyond my expectations. The more dramatic result was the way I felt about myself afterwards. It was an enormous change.
What I really love especially is when I catch my reflection in something and I just love the way I look. That's a great feeling. So it makes me feel great, makes me feel younger. When I hit 50, I thought, you know, it's time to do something. And it was just a great idea.
I want to age gracefully, sort of, with a little help from the doctors.
it was something that was really life-changing for me.
These women have discovered a new treatment for scars, sun damage, and even severe stretch marks, being used with stunning success at Epione in Beverly Hills. The latest in laser technology, called Cool Beam, is being hailed as a breakthrough in cosmetic surgery.
Cool Beam is great because a lot of times people get so caught up in taking care of their face that they forget to take care of the body as well. It can erase sun damage on the décolleté, the back. It's great for scars, stretch marks, for sagging skin. It's really a miracle.
The unsightly problem of stretch marks on the abdomen, breasts, or thighs used to be a condition that could not be treated, much less erased. That was until Dr. Simon Orion discovered and developed a groundbreaking fix for a body issue that plagues women of all ages.
Truly, it was an accident that we found out that this laser could work on stretch marks. I was treating scars, and around the same scars, I noticed that some of the stretch marks did disappear.
I lost 60 pounds. There was a lot of weight that I took off, and I had an incredible amount of stretch marks. I must have spent maybe $1,000 or more on just different tubes of things that are sitting in the bottom of my sink. Of course, none of it was useful, and none of it was worth any of the money I spent.
Maggie finally decided to go to Epione in Beverly Hills for a free consultation. There, the experienced and educated patient coordinators explained how the Cool Beam laser works and whether it could work its magic on Maggie's stretch marks.
It is one of the most amazing treatments because it really works, and there really isn't anything out in the market that does the same thing or treats the stretch marks so quickly, so effectively, and so safely.
The Cool Beam laser works by literally sanding down stretch marks. Only the scar tissue is targeted, leaving healthy skin untouched. During the procedure, the entire surface of the skin is first cooled, and then a series of light pulses is flashed on the surface. The skin cells absorb the light energy, causing instantaneous vaporization of the top layer. As the light passes over your skin, a mere 10/millionth of an inch of tissue is removed at a time, and this incredible control allows Dr. Orion to treat only as deeply as needed. After the damaged skin is removed, new skin and rejuvenated collagen quickly regrows in its place.
And after 3 or 4 sessions, most people see significant improvement in their stretch marks.
The laser was just a quick tapping, like it felt a little bit like little rubber bands tapping against my skin. And it was over before I even knew it. It took care of the stretch marks well enough that I no longer had to hide my abdomen from view.
The procedure is virtually painless because the cold burst of air from the Cool Beam minimizes any discomfort.
Within the next 4 days, I saw new skin coming up to the surface, and I was excited enough to go to the gym and show everybody, look at my new skin.
The Cool Beam procedure is considered extremely safe, and while a pigmentation change, swelling, or discomfort in the treated area may be expected, those side effects are temporary. And because Cool Beam utilizes the very latest in laser technology, it can now help people of all skin types diminish stretch marks, scars, and the aging effects of the sun.
10 years ago, clients with, for example, a deeper skin tone or richer skin tone would not have been candidates for laser. Today, that's simply not the case. Cool Laser and Cool Beam can be used on all skin types, all skin tones.
This one was quick and was pretty painless, and probably the most dramatic results for the least amount of pain that you could expect from something like this.
You know, I have a secret, but this is a secret you want to share. It's like when you know something and no one else knows.
Her secret is a dermal filler, a variety of quick and easy treatments that can take years off the appearance of your face. Treatments so successful, they've been called the liquid facelift.
you know, I know I'm going to continue to get older, so this is a way to kind of lessen some of the drama of it.
It's a way to dramatically roll back the clock.
Dermal fillers will fill in the wrinkles around your mouth, around your jaws, around your eyes, and any place in your face that you have wrinkles. It's a very nice way of filling in everything that nature has taken away.
I was at a point in life where I either needed to get a facelift and, you know, again, or do something different. It makes me feel really, really good. I have often told the doctor that he has single-handedly, without cutting my face, made me feel beautiful.
Facial fillers are injected just underneath the skin, smoothing, tightening, plumping, and volumizing, with virtually no downtime or pain. Epione's Dr. Simon Orion, a Harvard-trained cosmetic dermatologist, uses the newest generation of dermal fillers, which, unlike their predecessor collagen, normally do not elicit an inflammatory or immune response, and most do not require allergy testing. Radiesse, Juvederm, Restylane, and Artifil all have unique qualities, and a trained consultant at Epione can help you decide which filler is right for you. The choice will be based on where you need the injections, the longevity you desire, and the beauty budget you have chosen.
It's just little teeny, the smallest little needle pricks to numb your face, and it just really doesn't hurt because it's just very superficial. It was exactly what I had expected, and it was easy, and it lasts a really long time.
Although no one can say for sure, some studies have shown that Radiesse injections can last at least 2 to 5 years. Artifil, on the other hand, can be permanent. You can expect the effects of Juvederm and Restylane to last up to a year or longer. At Epione, the goal is to have every patient leave looking 5 to 10 years younger.
It's a very natural look. You just look like you did a few years ago.
The dermal filler procedure itself is quick, just a few minutes for a few precise injections. Immediately after a treatment, there may be redness, swelling, tenderness, or itching at the treated area. But the inconvenience is temporary and normally goes away in a day or two.
It was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I had instant results that as soon as I left. I mean, I was a little swollen, but by the next day, it was very smooth, and like I had absolutely 0 lines, and it was filled in.
There was little minor swelling with it, but that went away. And I would say within 2 to 3 days, it's like the creases that were there were just totally plumped out, and I looked years younger.
When you come to Epione for a radiance treatment, you know that you're getting radiance from someone who knows exactly what they're doing.
Dr. Orion has done thousands of these dermal filler injections. His years of experience pay off for patients at Epione in looks and in self-esteem.
It makes me feel so good. It's subtle changes, but it's just, I always feel like I'm doing something nice for myself and treating myself.
It just makes you feel more confident. And now in the business world, if you're more confident, then you achieve more.
What Dr. Orion's patients at Epione say they've achieved is their very own fountain of youth.
I don't have to go for surgery, and I don't have to be put under, and I don't have to be pulled. I definitely found the secret. I wake up in the morning and my eyes are smooth and I have no puffs and I can go out without makeup.
I just feel more confident and I'm less self-conscious, and that's just one less thing to worry about.
I would absolutely recommend hair removal. It's not one more thing that you have to do every month.
Laser hair removal has been great because I had like these awful sideburns. I don't have to deal with that anymore, any of the shaving.
You see them at the beach, at the gym, even at the spa, showing skin that's remarkably smooth and hair-free. But you don't see them being waxed at salons anymore. They've found a way to virtually eliminate unsightly hair with laser hair removal.
For men, I've seen it be absolutely life-changing. They can take their shirt off at the beach and not be self-conscious about their back or their chest.
Dr. Simon Orion offers several state-of-the-art laser hair removal options at Epione in Beverly Hills. During the laser hair removal procedure, a beam of laser light hits the skin and is absorbed by the pigment located in the hair follicle. The light pulses for only a fraction of a second, long enough to destroy the follicle without harming the surrounding skin or tissue.
The laser goes after the color in the hair follicle and heats it up and causes the hair follicle to burn at its root. And once the hair follicle has burnt, it will never grow back again.
The treatments last from 10 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of the area treated. You'll have absolutely no downtime. Plus, the treatments are faster than electrolysis or waxing and much less painful.
They put a little numbing topical cream, and then it's like when you used to pluck your eyebrows, and then it's bing, bing, bing.
My pain threshold is very, very small. So, and it was like, oh, that's it?
If you've ever been waxed, this will be a piece of cake for you. Laser hair removal, it feels very much like a rubber band snapping against the skin. It's done in small sections, and each section is covered bit by bit until the entire area is treated. This is to make sure that the treatment is very precise.
Whether your excess hair comes from a hormonal imbalance, taking medication, or Mother Nature, laser hair removal will have you throwing your razor in the trash.
It's just clean, smooth, and you don't have to think about it.
It's reasonable, it's non-time consuming, it's lasting, and it's not threatening.
Most people see improvement after just one session, but the process isn't perfect or permanent with the first few treatments.
You need anywhere from 3 to 5 sessions usually, and sometimes more, sometimes less. The reason you need so many treatments is because the fact that hair grows in different cycles, and every time you treat all the hair, you only catch some of them in the phase that you want them to be.
You don't have to worry about any bumps or ingrown hairs.
With each zap of laser light, you will see a significant reduction in the quantity and thickness of the hair follicles. Keep in mind, while this procedure does work on all skin types, it does not work well on blonde, red, or gray hair. The treated area may appear red after laser hair removal, or a rash or pigmentation change may occur, but side effects are uncommon and usually temporary. On the upside, there is no downtime associated with laser hair removal, and the top-of-the-line lasers used at Epione have the best track record for success and safety.
Laser hair removal is one of those miraculous treatments that really takes care of the unwanted hair once and for all.
The highly trained patient coordinators at Epione will provide you with a free consultation to answer questions and to determine if laser hair removal is right for you. And unlike many other facilities, at Epione, only registered nurses or doctors will perform your treatment. It's important not to wax, tweeze, or have electrolysis done for at least 4 weeks before your treatment, but you may shave up to 3 days prior. Patients needing upper lip treatments must tell their practitioner if there is a history of cold sores or fever blisters. Sun exposure, tanning beds, and tanning cream should be avoided for at least a month before treatment. All the lasers used at Epione are the latest patented technology and have FDA approval. After your laser hair removal treatment, it normally takes 2 to 3 weeks for the unwanted hair to fall out and stay out, leaving you with the smooth, hair-free skin you've always wanted.
It's wonderful. I don't even think about it. It's a non-issue. I wish I could have it done all over my body.
many people with tattoos, remorse can come as soon as the next day. For others, a lifestyle or career change creates a need for ink-free skin.
Having the tattoo removed is no more painful than getting the tattoo in the first place. And the results are dramatic, last for life, and it's really worth it in the scope of how life-altering the treatment can be.
For Kristen Gould, it was a milestone birthday that brought her to Epione in Beverly Hills. She wanted to show off smooth skin instead of her tattoo.
It's just very prominent, and if I wear anything that's low cut, if I wear something that's a little revealing, it shows. And when that was okay in my 20s, it's just not okay for me anymore being 40.
The highly trained doctors and nurses at Epione use the latest laser technology to help tattooed patients go color-free. The new generation of multiple light wavelength lasers are more effective in removing tattoos because they penetrate the skin more deeply and can target specific colors and zap them away.
There's a spectrum of colors that a tattoo may come in. There could be blue, red, different shades of red, different shades of blue, and different shades of yellow. And for each color, we use a different light of laser to be able to remove the tattoo completely.
Dr. Simon Orion, a Harvard-trained cosmetic dermatologist, says now a tattoo that 10 years ago would have taken more than a dozen sessions to remove can be safely erased in as few as 3 to 5 treatments. Plus, with laser tattoo removal, the possibility of scarring is minimal, and the results can be seen right away.
I actually saw progress after the very first treatment. Some of the colors in the tattoo really lift quite easily, so I noticed instantaneous lightening of the darker colors.
Our nurse practitioner who is doing the treatment is extremely qualified and extremely experienced, so you know exactly what kind of results you're going to get before the treatment begins.
The laser tattoo removal process starts with a numbing cream applied to the tattooed area. Then the laser is directed at small sections of skin, and with a pulse of light, it breaks up the color underneath the surface. Then the body's natural defenses absorb or expel the ink.
By shooting the laser underneath the skin, it causes the pigments of the tattoo to become distributed, and by breaking down those pigments, your body can later on get rid of them a lot easier.
There's very little pain involved. It's very simple and it doesn't take very much time. The actual laser treatments themselves probably take 30 seconds.
30 seconds of pulsing laser light to remove what was meant to last a lifetime. The tattoo removal lasers have an extraordinary track record for safety and accuracy. And while the area may be red immediately after treatment, pain is generally mild and temporary. A cooling gel or ice can be used to treat any discomfort, and patients should minimize sun exposure for at least 4 weeks. Laser tattoo removal is safe for all skin types and can be used on any part of the body.
It's a great process. I definitely recommend it highly. I just think it gives you a little bit of a boost.
For Kirsten, it's the best birthday present she could hope for, and a return of something she thought she would never have again.
2 weeks after a treatment, it's just smooth again, and smooth skin, no scarring. The pigmentation looks really good.
When I was younger, I had a job that required me to stand for great lengths of time, and I developed these varicose veins that would be very embarrassing on the beach.
Sherry Allen is one of millions of adults who are plagued with spider veins, small red, blue, or purple veins that appear on the face or legs. In the past, doctors told Sherry surgery was her only option, but now the doctors and nurses at Epione can zap her problems away with a blue light laser.
With the new lasers, you can now remove these veins no matter where they are on your face or on your body with minimal downtime and with minimal discomfort.
I just had one treatment, just one treatment, and that did the job.
The blue light laser treatment takes just minutes, and patients describe it as virtually painless. If needed, a topical gel can be applied to ease any discomfort.
The treatment just felt like little rubber band snaps on the back of your leg.
The treatment works by using a special laser to reflect intense pulses of light that stop the flow of blood in the spider veins, contracting them and making them much less noticeable.
The pulses of laser that go through the skin cause the veins to shrink by heating them, and after a few weeks, the veins shrink and they disappear.
The fading is often dramatic, but varies from patient to patient. It can take several months to see the final result, but patients say the wait is worth it. Best of all, the results are permanent.
It was a great difference. I felt comfortable on the beach and, showing the back of my legs. I wasn't embarrassed anymore, and yeah, it looks great.
Blue light laser therapy can also be used on the face to remove broken blood vessels, rosacea, and even dark circles under the eyes.
I almost look like a raccoon. My eyes have always been really, really dark. This has bothered me my whole life, and why not take care of it?
Patients are treated in one of the upscale treatment rooms in the spa-like atmosphere of Epione in Beverly Hills. Each patient receives a detailed, free consultation to explain the procedure and the extent of improvement they can expect. How many treatments a patient will need depends on the severity of the problem.
The great thing about coming to Epione for a laser vein removal treatment is that you know what you're getting before the treatment begins. A lot of times we'll see people who they're actually more pleased with the results than they thought they were going to be before the treatment began.
My father was a physician, so I'm very particular, and they were very knowledgeable here, and the client interaction with the various consultants was really, really great.
The treated areas may appear red, bruised, or swollen. Blistering or scabbing can also occur. Another side effect in some patients, lightening or darkening of the skin, but this is usually temporary. Permanent hair loss in the treated area can occur as well. For the most part, however, the side effects of the blue light laser are mild, and for patients like Lisa French, the result means she can now face the world with confidence and without the dark circles that have bothered her for years.
It was very simple, just and she's done, and it's fabulous, and I'm happy with the results. They're a lot lighter than they were.
When the redness is completely eliminated, or when the veins are completely gone, or when those dark circles that they've hated since they've been a teenager are finally lifted out, they are just blown away.
So as much as I dieted or exercised, I still needed a little help.
I took mesotherapy because I always had this little pocket of fat right under here that I wanted to eliminate.
Runners, cyclists, swimmers, and even fitness trainers can have it. That one body zone they can't tighten no matter how many miles, laps, or crunches they do. Even slender people who eat a healthy diet are not immune to that one trouble spot of fat or cellulite on the neck, arms, stomach, or legs. In fact, studies show that 90% of women in the US have at least some problem with cellulite.
Mesotherapy and lipotherapy are two of the newest techniques we use to get rid of the unwanted fat. They're the fat busters of the 21st century. We can use them to get rid of cellulite, we can use them to get rid of small pockets of fat, and the results have been nothing short of amazing.
Mesotherapy can be used very effectively on the neck, the jowls area to sort of give a lift to the contours of the face. It can be used on the stomach, also in the back, the bra bulge area. Men use it often on the upper chest or the abdominals. It's really sculpting for the body.
That sculpting is now easier than ever with one of two groundbreaking procedures offered at Epione in Beverly Hills. The first, called mesotherapy, works by dissolving fat cells without having to go through the pain, swelling, and downtime associated with liposuction or traditional plastic surgery. The treatment is a series of microscopic injections just beneath the skin, containing natural plant extracts, vitamins, and homeopathic and pharmaceutical substances, a blend which can literally melt away fat. Mesotherapy may also block the body's ability to store fat and stimulate the ability to burn it.
The great thing about mesotherapy is that it's basically vitamin-based, vitamin, mineral, antioxidant, so that you know exactly what's going into your body is good for you.
These before and after pictures are proof positive that mesotherapy works.
He just gave me some injections right along here and underneath, and within a couple of weeks, gone. I mean, just gone.
The second fat-busting option offered at Epione is called lipotherapy. This treatment uses acoustic waves to target the cause of cellulite, fat pockets that gather beneath the skin and create an uneven, pebbled look. Lipotherapy breaks up those fat pockets and smooths the skin above them, producing miraculous results in that exercise-proof, diet-proof part of your body.
With lipotherapy, there's an ultrasound acoustic wave that is produced to break up the fat cells as well. So there's no injection, similar to mesotherapy, but without the injection, it causes the fat cells to break up and melt, and your body can get rid of them a lot faster.
Each lipotherapy treatment lasts just under an hour, and most patients describe the treatment as similar to a deep tissue massage with the feel of a slight vibration. No injections, surgery, or anesthesia are needed, and you can resume normal activity right away. Body weight, circulation, and the patient's overall level of activity will determine how long lipotherapy results will last, but most patients maintain their new body shape if they do not gain weight. An experienced Epione consultant will help you decide whether maintenance sessions or additional treatments are necessary.
The unique thing about a consultation at Epione is that it's free, first of all. You can make an appointment, it's a half hour, free and clear, to have one-on-one attention with a trained professional who can answer all of your questions.
And now, for the ultimate weapon in the battle of the bulge, patients at Epione have the option of combining these two unique fat busters in a single new treatment trademarked Ultra Lipo. This 1-2 punch approach, developed by Harvard-trained cosmetic dermatologist Dr. Simon Orion, results in skin that has dramatically better elasticity, texture, firmness, and tone. Patients who love the look they've gotten from the Ultra Lipo treatment say after years of searching for a miracle, Ultra Lipo is the only treatment that has worked.
You can change the way you look without going to drastic measures. So I have no shame in wanting to look my best. I don't think it's anything wrong with that.